Hi guys, welcome to Kelly Sans Afro Germany. I know maybe you'll be asking why I'm speaking and somebody else is just speaking behind here. Yes, because this is Kikuyu Swahili channel which I just uploaded in my other channel. Yes, I want just to clarify here that I have two channels. Some of the people were asking me if I changed my name of this channel. No, we are still Kelly Sans Afro Germany, but here what I'm showing here is just a bit of what is going on my other channel. So here I was just introducing the channel. I said again it's called Kelly Sans Nyumbani TV Germany. We are doing content in the house, and yes, here I was just saying that we want to unbox what I bought, and also in my other box I have some things which I was holding for a long time, which I just found it when I was arranging the house. Yes, and this is what you're going to see, what I'm going to unbox my bag, my shopping bag, and this is what I'm going to show you. Yeah, some of the things I bought in the shop. I went with my sons and they were just searching for things to wear, and this got us many hours in the shop. Yeah, I was just saying that you think it's just the girls who take long shopping, but yeah, with my boys, yeah, it took me a lot of time to go with them shopping. But yeah, it was okay, but yeah, it took a lot of time, and yeah, that's what I'm seeing here. Yeah, generally. So let's see what I bought in those shops, and yeah, let's see. Just as I was talking, my sons was coming in and out, and this was very hectic for me, or hard for me to talk, because he was just chilling there and looking at me and asking me some questions. What are you doing? What are you saying, Mama? Yeah, remember I was speaking in Kiswahili and Kikuyu, and he was just asking what I was saying, and I could stop, I could hold on and explain what he wanted to hear. Okay, so that's all about what I was saying here. And yeah, and I also said that in this channel, Kelly Sans Afro Germany, we do some of the videos like traveling, we play with kids, yeah, we go outings, and we talk about Ausbildung, we talk about jobs in Germany. So if you're interested in our videos, please subscribe to us. We'll be very grateful. Okay, so let's see what I bought, and yeah, stay tuned. I hope you're ready, guys, and let's get started. Yeah, don't worry, I'll just speak things one by one, and then I'm going to show you my box, what I've hidden for a long time. So guys, stay with me and see what I have. A shirt there I bought for my small boy. Yeah, he likes it, he wanted to wear it, yeah, and said, Mama, I want that. We bought also some bademantel. Oh, okay, what do you call bademantel in English? That's in German, but if you know it, tell me at the comment section. I'll be so happy. Okay, and then we bought a jacket. Yeah, you may ask why I bought this in summer, but I'll show you why. This is because the price was deducted. Yes, the price was almost the halfway, and yeah, I decided to buy it. Why not? Yeah, so this is the way to go. Yeah, it costed 40 t-shirts, that's 40 euros for 27 euros. Okay, Yes, the other things we bought is like some badehose. We call it badehose in German. That's a swimming costume for the boys. Yeah, that's what the other thing we bought. So it was so nice. The other things we bought is like t-shirt. My boys liked t-shirt. If you buy for one, the other one says I want the same, so we had to buy two. And yes, they bought more t-shirts, and yeah, let's see what else we bought. And comes more t-shirts, and more t-shirts. Yeah, I'm telling you, if they want t-shirts, they said they want cool t-shirt, and so I have to look for cool t-shirts. Yeah, they said, Mama, if that is not cool, I'm not going to wear it. So Mama, nowadays we don't know what is cool, but the kids knows what is cool, I tell you. Yes. So the other things we bought is like, yeah, I got myself some things, that's mommy things. Yeah, I had to say that I didn't want to come out empty-handed like that. You go to shopping and you buy things for your kids and you come home without nothing, and that's what I bought for myself. And that's another badehose, like I said, the swimming costume badehose for my big boy, and that's mama stuff. I said I didn't want to come up without nothing. Yeah, that's a sleeveless. Yeah, it's summertime, we need that. So I bought myself some pairs, and yeah, we had to buy some bottles, that's like thermos. They're good in winter to carry some warm tea, and so my boys wanted me to buy them, so I bought it. And yeah, it is very practical to carry something in winter, and if you buy for one, you have to buy for the next one. So my small boy said I want one too, and so we had to pick two of them. So there's no big deal, we bought it. So we bought also some things, and before I do that, I wanted to show you the box, what we have inside. That was a magic box I hidden for so long. So let's see what is inside there. Yeah. Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to see what is inside there? Are you ready? Just say yes, comment yes down below so that we can open this box. If you're not ready, I'm not going to open. So tell me you are ready. Let's see. Whoa, what is inside? Yay! Look at that. Is that not cute? Oh my god. Is that not cute, guys? Just look at that. Guys, do you have those moments? Look at that sweater, pullover. Look at it. Just look at this trouser. And guess who won that real trouser there? Yes, that's the same person. Yeah, you just say thank you, God, for this far the children have grown. Yeah, you just say thank you. Yeah, I had no words to say but to say thank you. Yeah. So yeah, I just took this moment to just to feel the time, It was so a nice moment. Yeah. And yeah, I just look at that, guys. It's not just cute. Yeah. Do you have this moment where you put some things you don't want to keep away, you don't want to give away, you have them just by yourself? Do you? Just let me know at the comment section so that I know. Look at that cute pulley. Yeah, I remember this pulley my son was given by a friend, And yeah, I'm thankful. Yes. Yeah, I'm thankful. Yes, look at that. Yeah, he wore that. They were the same person who wore this bully. That's the same child. Yes, the children grows very, very fast. Let's see other things we bought, and yeah, stay tuned. So guys, you've noticed here, if I start talking in my mother tongue, I can speak and speak and speak, and yeah, I love it. This is my passion, and I speak. And I was always talking about this bully. I was saying how children grow very fast, and you compare the sizes they have now, and then you are just amazed and thankful to God for the far He has brought them up and taken care of. I started singing and singing and singing. I love singing, and yeah, let's go on and unbox other things like shirts. Yeah, stay tuned. Like always, guys, I like singing. This is my prayer today, Lord, that you may remember me and my whole family, that you remember my children, the children of my children. That is my prayer today. Udirikane twina nyumba yakwa ona ciana ciakwa rĩrĩ nĩ ihoya ndakuhoya mũthĩ we nĩ ũĩ. Lord, you know the tears we wept, the tears we wept, the whole world being confused and not knowing what's going on. But Lord, you just hold it, you hold us and cover us, and you didn't let us go. Bũrũri wothe tũkĩrigwo nĩkĩ, nowe Mwathani ndwatũtiganĩirie, ũgĩtũgucia ũgĩtũhumbĩra. So guys, I hope you could sing along with me. Yes, we are happy people. We are Kerry Sons Afro Germany. We are also Kerry Sons Nyumbani TV Germany. So we have both channels. One is featuring in English. The other one will be Kikuyu Swahili for my people who understand this. And if you like it, if you like to come along to hear how we speak Kikuyu, how we speak Kiswahili, you are much welcome to join us. Please, we'd love to have you. We'd love to be part of a family, and we see us soon, very soon. Bye bye, stay blessed.